Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Master G from Self. Love yourself. I just want to thank and I give a little message to all of my fans, to all of my subscribers over there, all over the world. Thank you so much for always uh, watching my videos and uh, spending your time with your family and your friends. And of course, thanks be to God always. Dahil siya po yung nagbibigay ng lakas sa atin for all over the years. And I just want to say thanks sa lahat ng babati. Yung Gcash ko nandiyan po sa comment section. Sharing! Happy birthday to me! +1. +1. Diba? Thank you po.